Richie Ruckus Beats.
YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Tuesday, October 9th. I hope everybody had a wonderful, safe, and happy weekend. The good friends over at Lapstone Hammer were doing a charity sneaker drive, and that is how you were able to enter the raffle for the off-white Chuck Taylor that in most places dropped today, but Lapstone had such an overwhelming support from the Philadelphia local community that they actually moved the release date till tomorrow and did the sneaker drive up until today. I myself went and donated 5 pair of sneakers. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not even a big fan of the Chuck Taylor off-white. If I win, I win. If I lose, not really the end of the world to me. But I did it more for the spirit of giving and taking care of the less fortunate in our community. That being said, I got another sneaker unboxing to do from the good folks over at Lapstone and Hammer. I will have a link to this pair in the description. Without further ado, let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We got the Adidas Dimension Low in this white, black, teal, and I believe they're calling it plum colorway. These are super, super dope. It's a retro Adidas trainer. I believe these released in the 90s. I want to say it was right before the EQT movement, so I want to say maybe 1993. Do not quote me on the exact year, but these came out in the 90s. They obviously updated them a little bit. It has that Adidas Torsion cushion, as you can see here. Just a super, super dope sneaker. The color blocking on these is phenomenal. And I know these may not be for everybody. It's kind of got that booty, water sockish, Huarache, Jordan 7 type aesthetics in the, in the inside of the sneaker. It's pretty much your complete lockdown in this booty. It's identical to the Huarache material. It's like a wetsuit material. And that goes, all the black that you see throughout the upper is that material. The colorway actually reminds me a lot of the Huarache trainers that Nike did back in the 90s. You got mesh on the toe box. You got leather. This white leather is like a very fine, tumbled leather. I mess with this leather a lot. I think it's really, really dope. And you got some more mesh accents right here. Just super, super dope. $130, and I do recommend going true to size. I did try them on. $130 and you cannot go wrong. And like I stated earlier in the video, I will have a link in the description if you guys want to go cop. I'm not one of these people who think Boost is dead. I'm not one of these people who only rocked with Adidas because of Boost. I'm happy to see that Adidas just isn't saying is Boost or bust for us. I'm glad they're bringing back models out of the archive. I'm glad they're bringing silhouettes back from the archive and adding Boost to them. I love the direction that Adidas is going and the direction they've been going. And I really think 2018, a lot of people felt like Adidas kind of took the L over Nike this year, which I don't know if I necessarily agree with, because I think Adidas kind of thought outside the box this year and then also brought back a lot of retro sneakers that people have been clamoring for. And then even models like this, most people probably forgot about, and then you have the younger generation that probably never even knew these sneakers existed. Just going over some of the highlights, you got the Adidas Torsion branding on the tongue, Torsion branding on the insole, and like I showed you, the Torsion cushion on the bottom. Just a very, very dope model, very dope silhouette. When I seen Brian, the owner of Lapstone, put these up on his Instagram story, I automatically started making text and phone calls to see if I could grab them. They were not available in store. So luckily, like I said, you make friends by being a constant customer, and one of the employees over there was able to look out and get them shipped to the store for me on the humble, and I went and copped them today. Leave comments down below. Let me know if you guys are feeling the Dimension Low. Images just surfaced today, coincidentally, of a plum colorway. I'll put a picture up if I can track it down. Pretty sure Sneaker News or Complex, Soul Collector, somebody posted it, but I will leave a picture across the screen. So it looks like Adidas is going all out with the silhouette. Again, I feel like it's a lot like the Adidas Temper Run video that I did, the review I did a few videos back, Adidas hasn't really been pushing that model, and they haven't really been pushing this. I feel like this is something that more people should probably hear about, something more people should probably see. It's a dope silhouette, and it actually really reminds me a lot of the ASAP Rocky Under Armour sneaker that just came out. I know colorway aside, it looks nothing like it, but this just kind of has that old Osiris skate shoe feel look to it. I know it was a trainer, not really a skate shoe, but it just kind of has that look to me. But that's it, guys. We're going to go do the on foot. I will be back again later this week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beat. Richie Ruckus Beat.